Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to locate your gas door on your vehicle without exiting the vehicle. So in case you are driving someone else's vehicle, you're renting the vehicle, or you just simply forgot on which side is your gas door located, I'm gonna give you this one useful tip. So what you need to do, you need to check your instrument cluster, and then on the instrument cluster you wanna look for gas pump symbol, and it looks like that. So this is the one, and now on that symbol you will have arrow pointing to the right or to the left, and on this vehicle is pointing to the right. That means my gas door is located on the right hand side of this vehicle. So of course if yours is on the left, it's gonna be on the left side, and this is how you can tell on which side is your gas door located. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.